Hello everyone. Myself Dr. Seema Rathi from School of Law and Legal Studies, Sage University, Bhopal. My today's video lecture is on Capacity to Contract, Part 1. That is defined under Indian Contract Act 1872. That is also known as Minors Contract. First of all, we will start from the definition. Its definition is given under Section 10 of Indian Contract Act, which requires that parties must be competent to contract. And according to Section 11 of Indian Contract Act, every person is competent to contract who is the age of majority, is of sound mind, and not disqualified from contracting by any law. Thus, minor means person of unsound mind and persons disqualified by law. They both are incompetent to contract. And age of majority is 18 years for making any contract. There is a case that is Mori Bibi versus Dharmodas Ghosh. In this case, minor's agreement is absolutely void. That is void ab initio, and minor gave thing under this case, which was value of 20,000 to Sahukar in mortgage. On its behalf, mortgage took 8,000 from Sahukar. In the meanwhile, Sahukar came to know that he is minor. Now, Sahukar told, according to Section 65 of Indian Contract Act, it's voidable and gave me 8,000 rupees. Give me 8,000 rupees, but Privy Council held that there is no question of voidable under Section 65. So you can't enforce that is void, means contract is void here because he is minor and there is no question of Section 65. Next heading, exception of minor contract is void. When minor did his liabilities under contract and when contract is done for the benefit of minor, that is actionable. Another heading that is under Indian Contract Act, minor or guardian of minor. Contract of service will be void. There is another case that is Rajrani versus Prem Adi. In this case, guardian made a contract for minor girl to work in a movie. Guardian took money. She will give her services in movie. But minor denied to give her services in movie. Now the director filed a case for return of money. Now the court held that under Indian Contract Act, if any contract of service has been done by minor or his and her guardian, that will be void and it can't be enforceable. Next heading, that is exception of contract of service. Guardian is competent on behalf of minor, bound to that contract, could obtain specific performance of contract. For example, when minor will be major, then he will continue, and when contract is done for the benefit of minor. Now next heading is ratification of minor's contract can be done. Answer is no. That is defined under Khangul versus Lakha Singh case. Even after attaining the age of majority, no one can ratify the contract. No one can approve the contract. Thank you.